Assalamualaikum and good day to all my panelists. My name is Nur Syuhada binti Ali. My metric number B0518101183. I will present about my final year project, which is the title is the effect of eco-waste filler loading on tribology behavior of ABS polymer composite, supervised by Dr. Zurina binti Syamsuddin. Nowadays, composite materials are used in many applications in which lightweight and height-specific modulus and strength are the critical issues. A composite material is a combination of two materials with different physical and chemical properties. The metric material selected in this project is ABS. What is ABS? Acrylonitrile-butadiene (ABS) is one of the engineering thermoplastic polymer widely used over the past decade and found application in many fields like automotive, aerospace, marine, business machine, computer, and telephone. The filler selected is recycled carbon powder. Carbon powder reinforced plastic provide a new way to keep weight down while maintaining the strength needed to withstand the internal pressure. What is the problem statement for the project? The first problem is the element of recycled carbon particle from trimming waste, which is industry waste, as filler phase is undefined. The second problem is the suitable composition to produce RCP ABS composite material, which is metric and filler, is based on the speed, loads of friction test for tribological characteristic and weight rate. We move to the objective. First is to characterize the recycled carbon particle on physical properties using particle analyzer, X-ray diffraction, and scanning electron microscopy. The second objective is to evaluate the effect of different filler loading on the tribological characteristic, which is coefficient of friction and wear weight loss using pin-on-disc. And lastly, to analyze the weight rate on the surface morphology using a scanning electron microscope (SEM). This part shows the scope of project where I want to carry out the compounding process ABS polymer with the recycled carbon powder and to analyze tribological properties of each composite sample through pin-on-disc testing. And also observe the weight rate surface morphology using scanning electron microscope (SEM). This is the literature review of previous research. This part covers all the method and process used to perform this project. The methodology shows the flow of project and the process where the critical part at the preparation of the sample, testing and analysis the tribological characteristic of the composite sample. The raw material involved in this project is ABS as a metric and recycled carbon powder as a reinforcement. The formulation of carbon powder consists of 5 formulations as shown in the orange box. The process starts with calculating the weight percent of each material and determine amount needed for each sample based on the mole in gram. The ABS is dried first using an oven at the temperature of 80 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. Next, the raw material were mixed using internal mixer. The material were mixed for 15 minutes each sample. After that, the mixed material was crushed into granule size using a crusher machine. The shape of mold is rectangular. The geometry of the sample is width 100 mm, for the length 150 mm, and the thickness is 3 mm. The testing was carried out at a sliding velocity of 200 rotation per minute at a constant load 15 Newton and a constant sliding distance 2.261 km. After the test, the sample was coated with platinum and the wound surface was observed under EVO 50 scanning electron microscopy SEM to view the microstructures. The graph shows the recycled carbon particle size distribution. The ranging size of the particle of the recycled carbon powder is from 11.8 to 15.16 micrometer. Measurement of the size distribution of a recycled carbon fiber is necessary for determining the performance of reinforcement when incorporated into a new matrix. The SEM obtained show the fiber to have cylindrical shape, and therefore the micrograph were used to determine the diameter of the fiber. The diameter of the recycled carbon is about 7 micrometer. Next, we go to the energy dispersive X-ray (EDS). SEM integrate with an EDS analysis system was to obtain the average weight of material deposition. Figure A shows the scanning part of the material. Figure B is the ADS analysis, and the figure of C is weight of the material deposition. As we can see, there are 4 elements, which is carbon, oxygen, silicon, and sulfur appear in the powder. Fulfill the objective one is X-ray diffraction (XRD). The XRD method was used to evaluate the surface chemistry of the recycled carbon powder. The graph shows that amorphous phase of recycled carbon powder intensity peak happened at angle in the range between 21 degree to 31 degree and 41 degree to 51 degree. The wavelength of the source was 1.45 ampere and operating voltage of 40 volt and the current of 30 milliampere were considered for data collection. The graph shows the coefficient of friction of the composite sample against the wait time, which is 30 minutes or 1018 seconds under 15 Newton workload and 15 millimeter thread radius for rotary experiment using pin on disc. The pure ABS has the higher value of coefficient of friction in the range of 2.10 to 2.15 compared with other composite sample. This thing happen might be due to the rough surface of the sample. The lowest value of coefficient of friction is 40% of recycled carbon powder filler loading. Next, we go to the result of wear weight loss, which is the second objective of this project. The graph shows the average wear weight loss due to the wear on the ABS polymer composite. According to Surya and Parasanti 2022 claim that the wear effect was determined through morphological observation of the surface and debris that had been eroded away. Sliding distance and load are the two most influential factors that control wear. During the tribological test, a greater amount of wear weight loss due to the increased friction that was caused by the higher coefficient of friction value. And the lowest value of wear weight loss is 30% of recycled carbon powder. This weight loss include in the second objective. For the third objective is scanning electron microscope. The figure shows the wear track for each sample ABS reinforced RCP at 50 of magnification. As we can see, the groove run across the surface of wear ball pin parallel to the sliding direction. This is caused by hard asperities on the counterface which dig into and remove material, resulting in micromachining, wear groove tearing, scratching, and surface cracking. In the conclusion, the recycled carbon particle has the mean particle size of 15 micrometer, and it was found the amorphous was precipitate due to the epoxy residue are still present on the recycled carbon particle. This project presents the effect of recycled carbon particle loading 10%, 20%, 30%, and 40% on the tribological properties, which is coefficient of friction, wear weight loss, wear, and surface morphology. The lowest coefficient of friction is 40% content of filler recycled carbon fiber, and the lowest value of wear weight loss is 30% of recycled carbon particles. So in general, the wear thread of 30% content of recycled carbon powder is the best because the wear thread is shown smoother than other filler. That's all from me. Thank you.